Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios you can do Saturday, December 12th, using that 5 off 25. In these scenarios, I'm going to be showing you how to get items for less than 40 cents a piece. I'm also going to be showing you how to get an 18 roll pack of toilet paper for just $5. If you want to see how you can snag some of these amazing deals, just keep watching. Every one of these scenarios have a fetch or IBOTTA rebate attached to it, so if you haven't downloaded the apps yet, you should do that. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, for our first scenario, we're going to pick up 3 of the Scott toilet paper, 12 rolls. They're $5 each. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Scott toilet paper digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 Snuggle dryer sheet 40 count for $2. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Snuggle product digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 3 of the American greeting cards. They're 50 cents each. We have a digital coupon for $1.50 off 3 American greeting cards, making those completely free. Then we're going to buy 1 Tide Pod Simply with Oxy. They're $2.95. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Tide Pods digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 Oral-B indicator toothbrush for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 Crest toothpaste 3 ounce or larger for $3. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. And we're going to pick up one of those VRYQQ plug-ins, just the plug-in, not the starter kits. They're $1.65. We're going to use that $1 off 1 VRYQQ product digital coupon. And then, of course, you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. After the cashier rings up all of your items, your total will be $28.10. $3 in instant savings will come off automatically. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $15 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.10. But then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA because there's a $1 rebate for the Oral-B toothbrush. And you're also going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Scott and VRYQQ are participating brands of Fetch Rewards. So after all your rebates, it'll be like getting all 11 items for under $9. This next deal is a super easy one. You're going to walk into Dollar General. You're going to pick up 3 of the 18 roll packs of Cottonelle toilet paper. They're $10 each. Then you're going to buy a $1 item of your choice from the store. Doesn't matter what it is. The only thing that matters is that it is $1 or more. So you're going to clip that 5 off of 2 Cottonelle toilet paper digital coupon. You're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up your items. Your total will be $31 even. $6 in instant savings will come off right away. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $10 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $15. $15 for 54 rolls of toilet paper? I think yes. And then don't forget to scan that receipt to Fetch Rewards because Cottonelle is also a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. Okay, for this next scenario, you're going to buy 1 of the Right Guard Sport deodorants. They're $2.25. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Right Guard deodorant digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Tresemme 28 ounce shampoo or conditioner. You can pick whichever one you want. They are $4 each. Then you're going to use that $2 off 1 Tresemme digital coupon. You're also going to use that $1 off any Tresemme store coupon. Then you're going to buy one Chic Classic Women's Razor 3 count for $4.50. You're going to use that $3 off one Chic Razor digital coupon. You're also going to buy one Chic Men's Razor 3 count for $4.50. You're going to use that $3 off one Chic Men's Razor digital coupon. That's a tongue twister. Then you're going to pick up 3 of those American greeting cards for 50 cents each. They're free, so why not? Because we're going to use that $1.50 off 3 American greeting card digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 pack of Tide Simply Pods with Oxy. Has to be the with Oxy for $2.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Tide Pods digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Oral-B digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one of the Airwick oil starter kits for $3.35. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Airwick starter kit digital coupon. And of course, we're making sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.05. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $21 worth of digital coupons going to come off, making your new total, before tax, $4.05. But then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Tresemme and Airwick are participating brands of Fetch. You're also going to scan your receipt to IBOTTA because there's that Oral-B indicator toothbrush rebate for $1. So your total out of pocket after all the rebates and stuff will be less than $3. Okay, for this scenario, we're going to pick up one of the all free and clear liquid detergents. They're $4 each. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 all free and clear digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Chic Classic Razor, men or women's, for $4.50. You're going to use that $3 off 1 Chic digital coupon, depending on if you get the men's or the women's. Then you're going to buy 1 Playtex Sports tampons for $3.50. You're going to use that $2 off 1 Playtex Sport digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Tide Simply Pods with Oxy for $2.95. You're going to use that $2 off 1 Tide Pod digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 pack of the Scott toilet paper 12 rolls for $5. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Scott toilet paper digital coupon. You're going to pick up one of those Airwick oil starter kits for $3.35. You're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Airwick starter kit digital coupon. Then you're going to buy 1 Oral-B indicator toothbrush for $2. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush digital coupon. And of course, you want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.30. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $8.30. But then you want to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Scott and Airwick are Fetch participating brands. And you're also going to scan that receipt to IBOTTA for that $1 back on that Oral-B toothbrush. So after all your rebates and digital coupons, your total should be around $7 for 7 items. That's $1 per item. Okay guys, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn notifications off so you get notification anytime I post a video. If you haven't given this video a big thumbs up, please go ahead and do so. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. I hope you all have a good time couponing tomorrow. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.